What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
In the pursuit of financial stability, many consumers turn to credit repair services for help. Unfortunately, one of the most harmful practices in the industry is the misrepresentation of information. Scammers often encourage clients to provide false details or mislead credit bureaus, presenting a facade that can lead to dire consequences. Picture a consumer overwhelmed by financial struggles and eager for a solution. They find a credit repair company that promises quick fixes by suggesting they misrepresent their income, debts, or even their identity. This deceptive approach may seem like a shortcut, but it comes with significant risks. When consumers engage in these practices, they not only jeopardize their own financial future, but also expose themselves to legal repercussions. Misrepresenting information can lead to accusations of fraud, resulting in severe penalties, including hefty fines and potential imprisonment. Andre and his company, Pinnacle Credit Repair, are notorious for implementing such deplorable tactics. Moreover, the emotional toll can be profound. Victims often feel a sense of betrayal and shame, realizing that their quest for a better credit score has led them down a path of dishonesty. The stress of living under the weight of deception can lead to anxiety and a loss of trust in legitimate credit repair services. As the truth unravels, consumers may find themselves with damaged credit scores and an even more complicated financial situation. It's essential to approach credit repair with integrity,